Hi, Tech Wizards. We are so glad you made it to Zoom. Now, let's get ready to learn some tips and tricks that will help you when you are live and learning. In this video, we will show you how to turn your video on and off, how to mute and unmute, and how to flip the camera to show your work. To stop and start the videos, first tap the screen. You will see a toolbar appear on top. Tap on the stop video. Your video has stopped. In order to start your video, tap the screen to make the toolbar reappear, tap on start video, and your video is back. Hi, scholars! To unmute and mute your video, tap on the screen to make the toolbar appear. Tap on mute. The red line shows that your audio cannot be heard. When the red line is not on it, that means that you are being heard. To flip the camera so we could see your hard work, tap on the screen, and on the left-hand side, a camera icon would appear. Tap on the camera icon to show your hard work. To come back to the video, tap on the screen, tap on the camera icon, and you are back again. Nice job, Tech Wizards. You've done it again. You are now all Zoom experts.